And welcome back for my final daily report market video on Thursday, 6th of June with me, which Japan market analyst at Hantec. And that is gold. And it certainly doesn't seem as though that the gold bulls are ready to give up too quickly, in the fact that we did have this intraday turn back from 1343. We've lost about $14 actually on that move after the ISM data, but the market has regained some support and started to pull back higher again, and it looks as though that the momentum of this recovery is still in place actually. The market's now $7 up on the day. You look on the hourly chart, and the unwinding move is sort of played out on a near-term basis. The fact that it's picked up again around that sort of 50 area on the RSI. You've actually now got a bull cross on the MACD lines. You've actually seen also the market trading through 1333, which is a bit of a pivot on this chart, and breaking out through that actually reopens the high again. So that the momentum of this run hasn't yet been played out quite yet. Certainly it shows that there is still a degree of support coming in for gold. This attitude of safe haven bias that we've seen through obviously the trade dispute with China, but also now between the US and Mexico as well over immigration and the prospect of tariffs being put on Mexican products there. So it certainly is still a positive bias for gold in the market, and trading above 1324, holding on to that as a basis of support this morning. 1327 is the low before the market rebounded once more, $10 up off that low, and holding on to that breakout. You still would suggest that the bulls are still aiming for 1346. Now that is your key area of resistance. That is the 2019 high, and that looks to still be possibly ready to be tested, but the momentum indicators, which had been sort of faltering a little bit, certainly into the close yesterday and also early morning this morning, have improved once more with the push higher this morning. So gold is maintaining this this bull run, and it doesn't quite look as though it's ready to go up quite yet. Now a closing move above 1324 would reopen 1310 again, so that would be your corrective signal. Doesn't look as though that's going to be the case at the moment. On the hourly chart, you'd be looking for a move under 40 probably on the hourly RSI, for example, under neutral on the MACD lines, and again those levels holding above their neutral points would suggest we're still in positive territory for this market, and looking to buy into possibly buy into weakness, but you've got a support around 1333 on the hourly chart at the moment. If that holds, then you're looking positive still as well, but for now certainly it looks as though it's a decent run higher still in process on gold. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.